guys, so what do you think I'm gonna do today? What video? Think. I have you 5 seconds or 10. I will choose 5 because it's my, yeah. I'll tell you what video I'm telling. So, think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. So, I'm gonna tell you the hit. This is my present. It says to CK, happy birthday from Emma, my friend. In the school. Yeah. So, I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna open it in the living room. Let's come with me, guys. Forgot to open the door before closing the lights. Copy.
Muntik na yan, inatin na namin si Adonis kahapon ng birthday. Nag-parking kami dun sa bakante lot.
Ayun ba naman ang dami?
Wala ka mo pala tayo. 3 rounds kami nandun. Ano gano'n, 5? 500. Tapos after discount, 375.
Come here.
Sabi ko nga kay Adonis, ako yung kasama mo bang yung gatid sa iyo? Kasi kapares kami ng parking, may receive siyang message. Sabi niya,
I'm gonna take off the tape.
doon sa tapat mismo nung Mercury at saka ng Golden Tulip.
There's more tape.
Di ba yung mga talabat na lamanin yan?
Wala talagang maparking yan doon. Hirap tumirap sa area.
Tingnan ako sa Corniche banda.
Tape 2. Tape 3. There's a lot of tape.
Dalawang mawakaf yun nandun kahapon. Upi, ano ba syempre? Get the wet tissue, we will wipe your baba.
There's tape. Tape paint.
Yan, gali. Put water on it. Get water.
This is the one that I'm gonna love in part 2. Bye.